In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Pro subscription and return to the free plan. If you've decided that you no longer need the paid plan, the good news is that the process is straightforward and only takes a moment. I'll walk you through exactly where to go and what to expect on each screen so you can complete the cancellation confidently and avoid any confusion. To begin, open your account and navigate to the settings area. Once you're there, look for the billing section. This is where your current subscription details, payment information, and plan options are managed. If you're not sure where to find it, take your time and make sure you're in the correct account before making any changes, especially if you manage more than one workspace or profile. Inside billing, you should see your current plan details. Under that section, look for the option labeled Cancel Subscription. Click on it to start the cancellation process. At this stage, the platform may show you a quick summary of what will change when your Pro plan is canceled. For example, it may remind you that your account will return to the free plan after the cancellation is confirmed. Next, you'll be prompted to select a reason for cancellation. This step is usually required before you can continue. Choose the option that best matches your situation. This feedback is typically used to help improve the service, so just select the most accurate reason and move on. There's no need to overthink this part unless an additional comment box appears and you want to provide more detail. After selecting your reason, continue to the final confirmation step. Here, you'll need to click Cancel Pro Plan. This is the action that completes the process and switches your account back to the free plan. Make sure you read the confirmation message carefully so you understand when the change takes effect and whether your paid features will remain available until the end of your current billing cycle. Once confirmed, your subscription cancellation should be complete. It's a good idea to stay on the page for a few seconds and look for a success message or updated plan status in billing. That way, you can verify that your account is now set to return to the free plan as expected. And that's it. That's how to cancel your Pro subscription and move back to the free plan quickly and correctly.